Hey everyone, Amazon stock is up 59% year to date in 2023, so it's no surprise that a lot of investors are talking about Amazon stock. Interestingly enough, at the end of 2022, I made a video about Amazon stock and its prospects in 2023, and I asked the question, is Amazon stock a buy for 2023? You know what my answer was? No, it wasn't the buy for 2023, is what I said in that video. And obviously, looking at the results so far this year, you can see I have been incredibly wrong on Amazon stock. So, what's causing this and why is everyone talking about Amazon stock? Well, the performance has been excellent. So, I kind of wanted to go over what their performance has been from the perspective of the company's CFO, who gave some great insights about the company's performance. So let's jump right into these figures. In its most recent quarter, Amazon generated 134.4 billion in revenue. That was an 11% increase year over year and above what even the company thought they would achieve in that quarter. So the CFO mentioned that they saw improvements in macroeconomic indicators across their North American and international segments, but they continue to see customers trading down and seeking value in their purchases. That's what's been surprising to me is that Amazon has sustained this type of revenue growth despite consumers feeling the pinch from inflation, despite consumers opting to spend more money away from home and not having those benefits of stimulus payments and all of the things that were benefiting them in 2020 and 2021. So, despite those headwinds, Amazon has managed to deliver excellent growth so far this year, and that's what's been surprising to me. Advertising revenue has been a key booster of the business, and that remains strong, up 22% year over year. Amazon's teams work to increase the relevancy of the ads they show to their customers, leveraging machine learning and improving their ability to measure the return on advertising spend for brands. And to me, this part of the business has not been surprising. This is one area that I've been flagging and saying this is a green flag for Amazon stock investors because hundreds of millions of shoppers visit Amazon's website and app every month. And so, of course, marketers are interested in influencing the decisions of those people, right? You're going to Amazon, you're likely trying to buy something. And so, of course, a marketer would want to get in front of you and show you their product and say, hey, choose my product instead of my competitors. And so, advertising, I thought, would be a great business for Amazon, and I think it's just getting started. I think this part of the business will continue to grow over the years and adding billions of dollars more in revenue, in very lucrative revenue, I might add, because these are very high profit margin business segments to Amazon's bottom line. This has also surprised me. The North America segment operating profit margin bottomed in the first quarter of 2022, and Amazon has seen 5 consecutive quarters of improvement with second quarter operating profit margin of 3.9%. So they managed to turn things around in the North American e-commerce segment, which was generating operating losses for Amazon, and in the second quarter it actually generated 3.9% operating profit margin. That's a really good operating profit margin for its North American segment because that segment does close to 100 billion in sales for the year. And so to generate, 100 billion, close to 100 billion in sales for the quarter. And so if it can generate 3.9% operating profit margin, that's close to 3 or 4 billion dollars just from that segment alone, just because it has such a high volume of sales. And so I thought this segment would continue to struggle because of higher transportation costs, higher costs of wages, and the difficulty in turning a profit by selling these items and offering fast and free delivery. So kudos to Amazon. They've done an excellent job this year turning things around. getting their costs under control, stock prices up tremendously, and I'm not surprised that investors are talking about Amazon stock. But that's all I've got for this video. Thank you again for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.